Maldives and the St. Regis Resort. Hopefully you can hear me over the ocean winds. I thought maybe I could take you on a tour of my Overwater ocean villa. So this has been my home here for the last 4 days. I've got one night left to go. Everyone gets their own bicycle. I've not taken this on a ride yet. I prefer to walk. It's each one has your room number on it, and that's my room number 516. And this is my door. And a bit of an effort to shut the door with the wind. So we come in first, we notice all the alcohol. This is not free. This is part of the minibar and very expensive, so it has been untouched. And this is the rest of the minibar area. There's a fridge filled with things that you have to pay for, except for the water. The water is free, all the water that you can drink. And I've moved lots of water into the fridge because I like my water cold, especially in a warm environment like this. Wine fridge, another part of the minibar. This bottle of wine, though, is complimentary. They actually give you a complimentary bottle of champagne, and I asked to exchange that for some red wine. It's a nice Spanish wine that I've been enjoying over the last few days. More expensive minibar items. More water. Coffee and tea maker are free. There's your coffee pods and tea in there, and then all kinds of wine glasses, other glasses, water glasses down in here. This is the desk that I've been working. I've been doing some video editing, and of course my charging area. And I put these up at the duty-free in Dubai for some sweet treats. So first we'll go through the back here. This is kind of the dressing area where your clothes and suitcase are stored. There's an umbrella, ironing board, and they will iron up to 2 items a day for you. I've not taken advantage of that. Didn't bring any clothes that need ironing. There's a flashlight. You get St. Regis flip-flops for walking around the resort. Comes with a hat that I've not worn around because I don't think it's my style. Let's give it a try. Yeah, not sure that's me. I think I will stick with the ball cap to keep the sun off my bald head. So there's the table where ladies could do their makeup and whatnot. We'll go back out into the living room. At a nice TV. Right now Al Jazeera is covering the news that Canada will recognize the state of Palestine. Donald Trump is not a fan of the idea. Nice rocking chair. There's a complimentary fruit bowl that I've been working through. And of course, very comfortable couch. Out into the bedroom, nice king-size bed, more charging ports on either side of the bed, and everything in the room, the lights, the curtains, the TV, room service is controlled by this iPad here. So that's very handy. And as I mentioned, there are both sheer curtains and blackout curtains along here, and I have opened up the windows, though, these sliding windows, to enjoy the ocean air. There is very good air conditioning in the villa, but not using it right now. Little towel art from my villa attendant. Into the washroom, there's a big soaker tub, which I have not given a try yet. Also a sliding door to let in the ocean air. I thought this might be a TV, but no, it's a mirror if you want to look at yourself while you're bathing. Lots of amenities around the room. Two-sided sink. And then you've got all the towels you could ever need. And of course the shower room with the shower handle and the shower on the wall. Turn on the light there, nice marble. And of course a separate room for the toilet with the bidet gun. So let's take a look outside. You can go, of course, out through those sliding doors, as well. This door here in the bathroom goes outside. And as you can see, you've got steps right down into the ocean. I've not been spending that much time in the Indian Ocean. The currents and sea have been very rough. It is the rainy season. Weather has been very nice all week, except for yesterday was a rainy day, but that's not too bad. One day out of the 5 being rainy in the rainy season. But yes, if you want to swim in the ocean, you can walk right off your villa. There's these hammock nets, which I'm told, well, they're hammocks for sleeping in, or not sleeping, resting, relaxing, maybe getting photos for the Instagram. I have been a bit weary that I could get back out, so I have not used those for that purpose. My favorite part of the villa is definitely the splash pool. It's nice and cool. It's out of the sun for almost the entire day. So when it gets a bit too hot, resting outside, I just hop into the pool for a bit. We've got this nice outside relaxing bed, and over here 2 lounge chairs with the umbrella up to keep away the Indian Ocean sun, and a table and chairs up there to get out of the sun if it gets to be a bit much, but you still want to be outside. Then back into the villa, and that is my Overwater villa at the St. Regis Maldives. Hope you enjoyed the tour.